Hello students, you're welcome back. Uh, Now you see a super trick for trigonometrical twins. How to solve the trigonometrical twins and what are these and how to, with the help of this, how we can solve this type of questions. These questions are very important and you must know these questions because these are very important and they are very likely to come in the coming IIT JEE examination. So you should be cautious and now ready to learn. This we are taking it as sin x plus cos x upon a plus b sin x cos x dx. Here you can see that it is sin x plus cos x. So we'll take sin x minus cos x as equal to t. Whenever there will be plus sign here, then we'll take sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Now we differentiate. This is a sin x plus cos x plus sin x, dx equals to dt. Now this we can square it, sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square. So you can see that 1 minus twice of sin x cos x equals to t square. So twice of sin x cos x is equal to 1 minus t square. So we can write sin x cos x as 1 minus t square by 2. Now put in this. So sin x plus cos x ds can be written as dt. Here a plus b, sin x cos x is replaced by 1 minus t square by 2. So you can see that twice of dt upon 2a plus b minus bt square. So it's very easy to solve this question. 2a plus b square root of whole square minus, we are taking b outside, so 2a plus b upon b minus t square. So you can see that twice of a plus b upon b whole square minus t square. So this can be solved very easily. We can use the formula to solve it. So now you have seen how we are going to convert this kind of question to the solvable form. Now we are moving to next type. Moving to next type, sin x minus cos x upon a plus b sin x cos x dx. So you can see that here sin x minus cos x. So we'll take sin x plus cos x equals to t. When there will be plus minus sign here, then we'll take plus. When there will be plus sign, then we'll take minus. Now differentiate. This is a cos x minus sin x dx equals to dt. It means sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus of dt. Again we are squaring it. Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x equals to t square. So 1 plus twice of sin x cos x equals to t square. So we can write it here as sin x cos x equals to t square minus 1 by 2. Now put it here. So you can see that sin x minus cos x and that is replaced by dt. This is a plus b t square minus 1 by 2. So you can see that twice of dt upon 2a plus bt square minus b, and take b common. So 2a minus b upon b plus t square. And now we can solve this integration very easy, that we know. We have discussed in our earlier video also how to solve this kind of questions. So we are moving to directly now questions based on this trigonometrical twins. Going to rub it. Say for sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. How to solve this question? For solving this question, we are multiplying it by 2 sin x upon 2 sin x plus cos x dx. So now you can see that this can be written as twins, sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x. divided by sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. So you can see that this is 1 by 2 dx plus 1 by 2 sin x minus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Now take sin x plus cos x as t. So you will find this as this. Dx is equal to dt. So this is sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus of dt. Now we can see how we are going to solve this problem. Dt upon t. So it is nothing but x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log t plus c. Now you can put the value of t here. So x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log sin x plus cos x plus c. So now you can see how twins are being used to solve this kind of question. Now we are moving to next type of question. Here if it was sin x cos x, then also in the similar way we can do it. Now we are moving to next question. Say for cos x upon 3 plus 4 sin 2x dx. How to solve this question using the trigonometrical twins? It's a super trick. You must know how to solve this question using this trick. So we are doing it like 1 by 2 twice of cos x 3 plus 4 sin 2x dx. So we can write as cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x upon 3 plus 4 sin 2x upon 3 plus 4 sin 2x dx. So you can see 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x upon 3 plus 4 sin 2x dx plus 1 by 2 cos x minus sin x upon 3 plus 4 sin 2x dx. And these two problems we have discussed here, so you can solve accordingly. So how you can see that how this technique is going to work for this kind of question. So in case of integration, there are some specific formulas and a specific substitution. Then only you can solve the integration problem. There is no such formula, single formula, so that all the integration can be solved. So I think you must have enjoyed it, and I request you to watch it the whole video, and request you to subscribe it and refer it, and thank you.